Hello everyone, JK is here. Today I prepared an FAQ session about my 3D printer. A lot of people ask me about how to make 3D printer, and today I'm going to answer 5 the most frequently asked questions in my videos. So first question, how much did it cost? For my 3D printer, it took about $350. Some people say it's too much, it's too expensive. But for me, I didn't have much tools for making 3D printer, so I had to buy wrenches and drivers and all sort of things, so it increased the cost. But if you guys already have a lot of tools in your home, it might be able to decrease the cost. So it depends on how many tools and how much environments you already have. Second question, can I change the 3D printer size? Yes, of course you can change the size. So I have 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter heat bed, so I made the frames according to the heat bed. So if you want to make bigger object and bigger 3D printer, you can just make bigger. You can just buy like 30 centimeter by 30 centimeter heat bed, and you gotta buy the bigger and longer frame according to the size of the heat bed. Just keep the ratio and you can make bigger 3D printer, no problem. Third question, where can I buy the parts? A lot of people around the world ask me these questions. But I'm sorry to say that I don't know much about your country. In my country, I could find many 3D printer shops in the internet, so I could buy the parts from there. But if you guys cannot find the parts from your country, I recommend you to import them from other countries. And of course, it could increase the budget. Fourth questions. Can I use different part? Yes, of course, you can use different parts as you want. You can use different bearing, different size of bearings, different model of stepper motors, and different size of nozzles and all the stuff. But most important thing is that you should change the configuration in Marlin based on the parts you're going to use. So if you guys want to use different part for your own 3D printer, you want to change the configuration in Marlin. So as you can see, in default axis step per unit, you can find the numbers next to it. So you should change the numbers. And you can check the numbers on the website, RepRap website. I'm going to leave the link on the description. So in this table, you should find the specs of your part. For example, what I have is NEMA 17 stepper motor, and it has 1.8 degree per step. And you can check the degree on the internet by searching them. As you can see here, NEMA 17 1.8 degree 200 step per revolution. So it has 1.8 degree. And the 20 teeth GT2 pulley, 20 teeth is the number of the teeth your GT2 pulley has, so check it out. Mine has 20 teeth, so I'm going to use this. And micro stepping is about the stepper motor driver. So what I have is A9488 stepper motor. You can check your micro stepping by searching it. So as you can see, it has 1/16 step. So now you can use the number on this side, 80. So that's why I used 80 on the Marlin. So this was X and Y axis because of the GT2 pulley, which was delivered by GT2 cables. So now you want to move on to Z axis. For me, I'm using M8 threaded rod. I'm going to use these one. And my micro stepping is 1/16 micro stepping, so this number is gonna be 2560. So if you guys are going to use different rod, such as spindle or spindle or something, or M5 threaded rod, try to use different number, and you can just multiply it or just divide it, the micro stepping numbers, based on the stepper drivers you have. Fifth question, what's the spec of the power supply? I'm not an expert on electricity, so I cannot tell you much about electricity or power supplies. But I can show you what I have. I'm just a stupid guy, so I cannot explain much about it. But I can show you this, that I have 12 volt output and from 90 to 130 VAC or VAC, I don't know what it stands for, I'm sorry, and 180 to 264 VAC or something. And I guess these A's are something like resistant. Yeah, and here's something like hertz. Yeah, inputs are like this and outputs are like this. So this is what I have in, and it works just fine. So if you guys cannot find the same thing what I have, try to find something similar. Try to find something similar, some close number, something that has close number to it. Then I'm sure that's not going to be any problem. Okay, so today's print will be Chihuahua wall art. As you can see, it's flat and it has Chihuahua face on it. And I'm using Cura for slicing, for slice software, because I found the slicer is quite stable and it doesn't work properly most of all time. So I moved on to Ultimaker Cura. You can download it for free on the Ultimaker website. You can just search it on the Google and you can find it. Try to use it and it's quite stable and it works quite well. So I strongly recommend you to use this. If you guys don't know how to use this, please leave a comment and I'm gonna make a tutorial, another tutorial video for using Cura software for DIY printer. So put it on the door. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and if you guys have any questions about 3D printer, please leave a comment below. I'll try my best to answer all the questions as possibly I can. Okay, thanks for watching and see you next time.